and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I am so excited to film this video today. I am doing an unboxing from the house of Sillage. I'm so excited to film this video today. I am doing an unboxing from the house of Sillage, and the UPS just delivered this, and I disinfected it, wiped it down, and now I am ready to open this box. I am so excited. So I have my hot pink knife, and we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. Now, I ordered a mystery vault, so I don't know what's in here. So it is a surprise for the both of us. Oh, I'll show you. They have pink styrofoam. It's a company after my own heart. Okay, this is the Whispers of Garden. It's upside. Y'all, I told you I was excited. This is the Whispers of Garden Discovery Kit. Wait a minute now. So this is upside down showing you, but read it. You know what, y'all? I'm going to do a separate video on this. So we're not going to, go into this too much. But I ordered this so I could smell and test out the collection and see if there were any I was interested in purchasing. Okay. Now, I see this lipstick in here and this, so I'm guessing I got a bow case. Okay, so pretty flowers. Oh, another one. These are cute. I'm gonna figure out something to do with those. Okay, I'm trying not to make a mess, but I think I'm going to make a mess. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is too much. I'm ready to see what's in my box, okay? Let's do this. Here is the, oh my goodness. Y'all. We need comedic relief right now. I'm happy to provide it for you. So, this is the box. And I got I think it's called the Love, I can't remember what it's called. Love Infinitely. Love Her Infinite. You know what? I'll have it in the description box. Okay. Okay. So, did you see it? So you open it up. There's that. It's wrapped nicely. Okay, I guess, y'all, I can't be trying to keep it pretty. I'm like hyperventilating. I don't know what fragrance I got. Okay, we're gonna do the fragrance first. I don't want to peek. I don't want to peek. This is the box, and we're gonna open. It's up, and I got a Whispers of Garden fragrance. I don't know which one. Oh my goodness. Whispers of Time. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. That is so pretty. My first cupcake. Lord, I hope this hasn't started an obsession. Oh, we have a fragrance that comes with a what do you call this? Authenticity card. I've only gotten this with handbags. Okay. So it comes with that. Look at me. I got my clothes all wrong. Whew, okay. And you get a cleaning cloth to, I guess, keep your top all shiny and beautiful. Okay, guys. Okay, here's the test. House of Sillage, Whispers of Time. Ooh, can you say elegant? Can you say, this is heavy. Can you say luxury? Can you say bougie? Oui, oui. Okay. I don't smell anything. Okay. I am like, whew, I'm nervous. Let's see if I like it. That's the, you know, chance you take. Let me see if I like the fragrance. It's different. This is not, I love it at first sniff, but I can see me coming to love this. And this is the first. It smells like a very expensive soap. It's very clean, very fresh. But yeah, that's what soapy, that's what it smells like to me for first sniff. Oh my goodness. That bottle. Okay. Now, the lipstick bouquets. I have wanted one of these. I've wanted a fragrance and one of these since I've seen it, but you know, it's expensive. Look, I'll tell you about the, I'm just so in, so this is the way the box looks. Let's see. You open it and you get, well, let's see what's this. Oh, these are instructions and another authenticity card. Can't even talk. Okay. So you open the box and you have the case. Okay, guys. Let's see what color I got with you. Okay, so you know you're high end when the lipstick case, you open the case for the lipstick case and it's in a dust bag. Okay, so let's open the dust bag. Tiffany blue, so matching. And I must admit, the Tiffany blue would not have been my first choice, but I like it. And you know, the bad thing is, y'all, this is making me want to say, girl, you need to get one more box, one more vault to show you guys, of course. So this is, you get one lipstick, and this is in King. This is the red, I believe. And so let me see. Oh, okay, so I guess you gotta, you take this out. I should read the directions, so I'm acting like a man. Oh! And then, you wanna wear your lipstick. There's that color. Okay, yeah, maybe I put this on the wrong side. You have to have them lined up or something. I remember. Okay, Shaughnessy. Not break it. No, I have this on the right side because it's snapping in. I heard the click. You know, guys, I'm going to look at this off of camera because I'm not trying to break something up in here. So I'm going to just go ahead and take that out for now. Okay, I see. Okay, hold on. Sorry guys, you know, this is a learning process. So I have to have it lined up like that. And there is your lipstick in your bow case. Let's take a whiff of this again. This does smell good. But it reminds me of something, and I keep thinking of soap, but it's a good soap. It's the kind of soap you go to a nice luxury hotel and you're like, girl, get that soap out that bathroom and let's take it with us, okay? That's what, it smells really good. So that was my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. So this is what you get in the Infinite Love for Her fragrance and beauty box. You get one full-size cupcake of the Whispers of Time fragrance. You get one Tiffany blue lipstick case, and you get one lipstick in the color King, which is red. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. And my next video will be I will talk about the Whispers of Time, not Whispers, that's the perfume, Whispers in the Garden collection. In my next video, I will spray these scents and talk about them with you all. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the cupcake fragrance. I'm going to play with my items, and you know, I might just, you might be seeing another unboxing video from one of these vaults, you know. This is a good deal. Oh, I told you I was going to tell you the deal about with the mystery vaults. Okay, so you don't know what's inside the vault, but you get a bunch of products for half price. So you got all of these products, and I think it retails for over, I want to say $500, almost $600, and you get it for $296. So whatever that's valued in the vault, you get 50% off of it, and that is a great deal. So I would advise you to check them out before they are all sold out, because I heard about this from, I was watching a video, I can't remember her name, but she was talking about luxury items I've purchased during quarantine, and she received hers, and it was the princess box, and that's the first time I heard of these vaults, and I was like, oh, I want it. But of course the princess one was gone. So this one was sold out too, and I waited. I said, well, I don't really see another one that I really love, because I could find videos of the other vaults, the Bold Confidence, the Island one, and then one even popped up with the Whisper, not the Whisper, it's Emerald something vault, and there was a video on that, but I could not find a video on this one. So when it came back in stock, I said, I'm going to take a chance and I'm going to purchase this box. And I love everything. And like I said, you might be seeing another unboxing video of another vault. We shall see. And also, guys, they're having a sale 25% off. So that's why I bought the Discovery Kit. And I have another Discovery Kit coming for their main line. So I'll do a video on that when that comes in the mail also. So take advantage of the sale, take advantage of the mystery vaults if you can, to treat yourself, because I've been wanting these for a while, and I just thought this was the perfect time with this deal. And also they offer Afterpay. So if you don't want to spend the whole sum of money at one time, you can divide it up into 4 payments. But the first payment, the first installment, is due when you place your order, and then it's every 2 weeks after that. If that option would work for you better. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you have purchased anything from the House of Sillage, and let me know your favorite scents because I'm really excited to explore this brand. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach at least 50 subscribers by the end of May, and I would really appreciate if you would all help me get there. Please share this video with anyone who would be interested. I don't care who you share it with, just share it. And if you would like to be notified every time I upload a video, especially if it's another House of Sillage haul, okay, then turn on your notification bell. And until next time,